Everybody, welcome back to my channel, KonradSAguide. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. With some other biker friends, we came to Parys. It's a small town in the Free State province of South Africa. It's about 180 kilometers south of Pretoria and Johannesburg. So we left just after sunrise this morning, around 7 o'clock or so. We are here today at this all things adventure, got everything to do with adventure. So mountain bikes, motorbikes, all kinds of adventure activities. So there's lots of things also for kids to do, for the whole family. Here on the right there's a bit of a jungle gym, like obstacle course. Few suppliers that they come and bring their goods to come and show what is new on the market. So for the bikers, they also built a bit of an obstacle course. Go and check out how that looks like. So we're gonna camp here for the night. A few of us, I just went to go and put up my tent next to the Vaal River. Tonight there's gonna be a bit of a braai, so I'm very much looking forward to it. So here is some more of the other bikers here by the obstacle course. We're gonna check it out, the obstacle course here for the guys. It's absolutely beautiful location here by the Vredefort Dome. Check him going through the sand. Wow, over the rocks, that one is hectic. And you just have to keep the momentum going as well. Alrighty, let's see. We're gonna do the obstacle course with time. You ready? Now this is clutch control. No throttle at all. Well done. See, perfect control, no problem. Very nice. Gas plates also touching. Oh, we don't go over the tires. Doesn't look too easy, but he does it. Really good. I think it's also gonna go through the rocks here, which is quite a tough one. Hats off to all the guys who gripped the rocks. That's pretty well done. Yeah, let's go and check what the cars can do as well. Very nice and high. I say, here we go. Morning everyone. Going on an outride here through the Vredefort Dome with well, just a bunch of guys. It's a few guys who stayed over here at Stonehenge in Africa Lodge, just next to Parys. So we are on our way to just take a little ride here around the dome. Apparently around 85 kilometers of mostly dirt riding. Gonna stop a few places. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the ride. Alright, yeah, let's check it out. We're coming out to Venterskroon. You might remember Venterskroon from my Vredefort video. It seems like we're going to stop here for refreshment. Perfect. The Vaal Dam, the Vaal River. Just here in front of us is the bridge. We're going on our way to Schoemansdrift. Everybody is still waiting here for us before we're gonna cross the Vaal River. It's been an awesome ride so far. Pretty good dirt roads. Not so much sand and not much loose rocks or anything. So it's actually been beautiful riding. I hope you're also enjoying the ride. Looks like we're just here at the edge of the Northwest Province and the Free State Province. So this is where the Vaal River divides the Orange Free State province and the Northwest province. This is the Vaal River. It gets its name from silt that comes washing down and then makes the water a little bit pale. So vaal is the Afrikaans word or Dutch word for pale. And that's why the river is also a little bit, the water can seem a little bit pale sometimes. Such a beautiful view over the Vaal River in between the Vredefort Dome. Surrounded by mostly those tall eucalyptus trees. Okay everybody, seems like our outride is also about done for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up. We're just gonna quickly go now to Parys, and then from there on we're going back to Stonehenge in Africa, and then we're gonna take a ride back to Pretoria and Johannesburg respectively. So thanks for joining me.